we come to these classes, it's very important to understand how to make notes. So please be very focused in your classes and understand how do we write when someone is delivering a lecture, because that will help you understand what is important, what is to be underlined, and what is to be revised again. So once you go back home after these classes, please do revisit your notes. एक बार उसको दोबारा ज़रूर देख लें, and उससे अगर short notes बना सकते हैं तो please फटाफट वो भी करते रहें. Please keep that daily revision on, because without that it can be difficult, and it will also help you reduce the size of your notes, because at the end of 10 months the pile can become this big. So I used to write on A4 sheets, so the pile was very big. So please keep as in sieving out the good material. जो भी अच्छा लग रहा है उसको अलग से लिख लें, and standard books follow करें. I have followed all the standard books that are available, and I will also come out with a detailed book list, but mostly NCERTs for geography, history, and for polity we all know the main book. Coming to other subjects like science and technology, I think इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा contemporary issues होते हैं. So basics, if you feel you are from science background, then it's fine. I don't think there is need to read the NCERTs from 6 to 10. But since I was not from a science background and I did not remember much from school, I did revisit all the NCERTs for the basic sciences. I should know the minimum level of science that we see around us. So please ensure that in every subject you have your minimum ready. एक बेसिक नॉलेज आपको होनी चाहिए कि आपके आसपास क्या चल रहा है. Science and technology is done, so again supplement that with the current affairs, what is going on, and follow any one magazine from any coaching institute. I think थोड़े टाइम में सब लोग सेम ही मटेरियल कवर कर रहे होते हैं, तो कोई भी एक इंस्टीट्यूट, अगर आप इस इंस्टीट्यूट में आ रहे हैं तो इसी का, लेकिन रेगुलरली कंसिस्टेंटली एक मैगजीन आप फॉलो करें. If you don't want to follow a magazine, in my first attempt I followed a magazine. In my second attempt, I did not follow any magazines at all. I did my newspaper reading very carefully, and I made my own newspaper notes. Initially, I made handwritten notes, but that is not very efficient in the long run, because it was also my third attempt, so the notebooks were increasing. So try to keep your notes digital, because we have so many apps now. बहुत efficient रहेगा, and you can really delete the stuff that is not relevant anymore. Sometimes when we make notes, we make too many notes, things that might not even be important. So in digital sense, it's very helpful because you can keep revising and adding over there. So that is one thing. And if you are not following a magazine, current affairs magazine, then please be very disciplined about daily current affairs. So again, any one website. There are so many websites, but please pick one website. And apart from your newspaper reading, which takes 1 hour, take 15 minutes to make notes from that newspaper, and then take another 15 minutes to go through that website and see if there is something that you have not covered. So this helps you create a pool of knowledge in current affairs that will last you the entire year. If you still feel insecure at the end of the year that I have not done any magazine and I am feeling left behind, देन बस इंडेक्स देख लें उस मैगजीन का, कि अगर कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है जो बिल्कुल नहीं पता है तो वो हमने टॉपिक उस मैगजीन में से कवर कर लिया. दैट्स हाउ आई डिड इट. आई फेल्ट इट वाज एफिशिएंट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. So this is the massive 50-60% chunk of brilliance, that is current affairs. So I hope we can move on to the next topic.